While individual countries seek to keep up an effective fight against the coronavirus disease, there remains the concern of lack of coordination and unity in purpose. This has come to the fore as some countries in the region are being seen as putting up a fight that is not in line with the rest of the states, thereby increasing the risk of a slower and less effective war against the pandemic.
Tanzania has so far the highest number of people confirmed to have COVID-19 in the region, with 480 having tested positive. Kenya follows close behind with 435, Rwanda with 249, Uganda with 85, South Sudan with 45, and Burundi with 11 as of Saturday. As the worries of cross-border transmission increase, Kenya has registered a Tanzania-related case.
One of our cases today is actually a contact who had come in traveling from Tanzania.
This is one of the now few imported cases which comes on the back of concerns over the actual number of infections in Kenya's neighbor to the south and the treatment of the situation. As the jitters increase, the Ministry of Health has sought to assure Kenyans that cross-border travel issues are being monitored closely by regional member states.
Discussions have been held and agreements have been made in terms of how we can ensure cross-border travel is going on in a manner where screening is effected and we're actually ensuring we're protecting EAC as a community.
Other East African countries have implemented lockdowns, curfews, and strict social distancing measures. However, in Tanzania, though schools and universities have been closed, markets, bus stops, and shops continue to host the usual bustle. The possible risk therein brings to the fore the need to have a coordinated approach as a region. Otherwise, the fight will prove tougher.
The bedroom is Uganda, the sitting room is Kenya, the other sitting room is Tanzania, the other big bedroom is Congo, the inner room is South Sudan. How will you get to the gate without going through? This is where the problem you are having now. How do you manage a house of 5, 6 rooms or 7 rooms? We have swept corona from here now, from the bedroom. We have swept. I think we have swept somehow. But from the sitting room, from the sitting room. So what are we going to do?
In the case of Rwanda, we have noticing a problem. While we had really taken full control of the situation and reining in the virus, in fact, more people had recovered than those who were being affected. All of a sudden, cross-border activities introduced other numbers rapidly.
In a recent virtual Africa Union Heads of State meeting, President Uhuru Kenyatta also pushed for regional harmony in a bid to combat the growing pandemic.
If we are to defeat this enemy, we need to really be able to ensure that through our RECs we are able to communicate, to work together, to be able to deal with cross-border issues, because unless we fight together, we will lose together.
The fight against the invisible enemy continues, and the leaders say it will be won with greater ease if it is done in a united and transparent way. Anita Nkonge, NTV.